What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send crypto from the Magic Eden wallet to the Revolut app. Also, if you guys are interested in some crypto related bonuses, I will leave some relevant links in the description below. Now let's get started. So first off, you would need to open your Revolut app to get our Revolut crypto address. Now, before you transfer any crypto over to Revolut, you first need to decide what cryptocurrency you will transfer. So let's say that we want to transfer over some Solana. We would need to go to our crypto tab right here and get our Solana address. And we do this by just clicking on Solana right here. Then this little menu will load, and from here all you need to do is click on these three little dots right here in the bottom right corner and click receive right here, the last option. And from here all you need to do is click on this copy button right here to copy our Solana public address. Now when we have our address, we can exit this and open the Magic Eden wallet. Now in the Magic Eden wallet, we need to go to our portfolio tab and select the cryptocurrency that we want to send to Revolut. Now in this case, because we copied our Solana address, we need to send a Solana based cryptocurrency. So I will just select Solana right here and click on the send option right here. Now here we paste our Revolut address, so just like this. And we select the amount of Solana that we want to transfer. So let's say 0.01. Now we just click enter, and then you need to click continue right here. After that, a confirmation window will load, on which we need to confirm that we want to send that amount of Solana to our Revolut wallet, or in this case to our Revolut app. So just go ahead and click send. And now we just need to wait for the transaction to go through. And there we go. We got a notification from Revolut that our deposit is on its way. So now let's just exit the wallet app and open up our Revolut app to check if the funds arrived. And there we go. Here is the transaction receipt. So that's guys how you send Solana or any other cryptocurrency from your Magic Eden wallet to the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.